Hello dear friends, this is Cassia from WMT CNC. Today we would like to introduce our Gantry-Type Machining Center GMC1425. As you can see, for this model, the work table width is 1300 mm and the work table length is 2500 mm. As for the 3-axis travel, the x-axis travel is 2600 mm and the y-axis travel is 1400 mm. For the z-axis travel, the standard is 800 mm. For this model, for bigger processing capacity, for his processing request, our client requests us to increase 200 mm for z-axis travel. So for this model, the axis travel is 1000 mm. For this is the coolant through center. It is optional accessory. And for this is a chip conveyor, chain type chip conveyor. It's standard configuration. Also, we will equip 2 screw type chip conveyor. Both sets has 1 screw type chip conveyor. And for this machine, we equip with FANUC controller and MPG here, and the auto lubrication. And this is our electrical box. This is the heat exchanger. It is also the standard configuration. If you have other requests, such as different angles, milling hand, and air conditioner, you can contact with us. You can send your drawing to us. We can help to make the processing solution for you. Any machinery request, please contact with us, WMT CNC.